Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the UTC full year in the set method. It has a part of the date object. So what it does is you need to create an event like this, and then log it in a console. Event dot get full year. So there is a method called get full year, UTC full year, which is the go hand in hand with the set full year. So what I'm gonna do is UTC full year, and what the not your year. So and pass the function. It's gonna give you the 1975, but oh, what the heck, sorry about that. It's not, because it's not gonna good, because I'm gonna giving you a good example like December 31. So when I do that, in the UTC, the grand time median, it would be 1976, but the local time you are looking at, it's 1975, but that's why it will give you 1976. Now you're gonna ask, hey Assad, how I'm gonna get the the 1976 in the UTC time year? So this is why the set UTC full year is a thing. Now, like many of you ask, like why we need this method. This is why we need, because it set the full year for a specified date according to universal time. That means you can now make any internationalized an app, like any plain apps like that. So now what I'm gonna do is event dot set set UTC full year, and pass as a which time you want. So 1976. So this is what it do. It changed to that kind of thing instead of this, instead of 75. Yeah. When we do that, it's gonna give you 1975 in the UTC. Though this is what it does. It changes the time of the age, but there's a problem here. No, it's not problem as a programmatically, but as a problem if you are making apps. If he does this, it's gonna give you the it's gonna give you 1 January 1975. So this is what it does. So hope you guys understand. Don't mess around with the full year with the local times. Just set the full UTC times, and always use this kind of methods for set UTC date, so that then it's not gonna break the APIs, I guess. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.